Hi guys. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to do a magic ring. Now, there are a couple different ways to make a magic ring. And now I'm going to be showing you how I make mine. Wrap your starting tail around you two fingers, and have it on top of each other's forming the letter X. Grab your hook and place it underneath the bottom yarn, and then over the top yarn and pull it. Then twist it and bring it up. Then place the hook underneath the top yarn and pull it through the loop. And this creates your slip knot in the magic ring. Now we're ready to work single crochets into that magic ring. So insert your hook into the magic ring. Grab your yarn from underneath, then bring it back up. Then yarn over and pull through those two loops that creates one single crochet. And repeat that process for every single crochet you need to make into that ring. Do this few more times to make 5 single crochet into this magic ring. We've worked 5 single crochets into the magic ring. Now we can pull the starting tail, bring the stitches together. And that forms round 1 of your amigurumi project. And then you can start make single stitches or increase stitches. And now you have your magic ring. I hope this tutorial helped your amigurumi projects, and thank you so much guys.